Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can optimize our job search on Naukri.com based on various top companies which are currently hiring in data science and other fields. So first of all, after we log in into our Naukri.com profile, on their homepage we can see different options for the job search. But as we want to search for the specific companies which are hiring currently, so we have to select here companies, and then we can see here different top companies which are currently hiring. So simply using these filters, we can search for our required companies. So here we can sort our result according to the department in which we can choose data science and analytical field. So now we can see here there are different 718 companies which are currently hiring in data science and analytical field. So we can see here all the startups and MNCs which are currently hiring. So now also we can sort our result on the basis of rules such as data science and analytical. So now I can see here different companies which are currently hiring for the data analytics. So such as if I go here, select Flipkart, then we can see here the homepage of Flipkart company, and we can see here different departments of the Flipkart which are currently hiring. And now in the department we can see here there are different departments. So we want to select data science field. So we can see here data science and analytical field there are 16 openings. So we have to choose here, and then we can see there are different openings such as analyst, business analyst. So we can go here and apply more search such as experience. So we can see here as a business analyst there are different posts, and also if we want to choose for the location there are filters. So if we want to go for the another company, so we can simply go in the previous tab, and then we can search for the different other companies which are currently hiring. We can see here there are different companies which are currently hiring. Now we can see here in the BNY Mellon, we can see there are 46 openings in the data science field. So according to our experience, we can sort here, and we can see now, we can see there are various types of openings which are suitable for you. So we can apply for it. Now we can see here, if we see, we can apply on the company side. So we can search here and we can apply on their company side, or either if Naukri is allowing to apply, then we can directly apply on the Naukri.com. So in that way, we can not only just for the data, we can use this company filter for the data science field, but all the different departments, and there are different companies, like according to companies, we can also sort our filters. Like location, we can sort, and industry type also. So I hope this is helpful for you guys.